happy all day.
Bye-bye door catch. Alright. Okay.
So that right there is what we need to get off.
Oh no.
Right, well slowly, where's my screwdriver?
Just slowly prying it off and carefully. Because aren't these moldings really, really flimsy?
Yeah, see this double-sided tape here?
Yep.
That's what's holding it.
I don't even think that needs to be marked.
No, I think we'll know which one that is.
It's quite nice there.
Oh wow.
It's the molding that we just came off.
That's a technical piece, isn't it? The other one must just sit there, I think, yeah. Okay.
No, it doesn't look too technical to me. Because I don't know anything about
No, I'm
Caravan.
talking about this bit here. See in behind here, you've got a bit that's angled up and cut, and then it's obviously they got folded under there and silicon the edges. So we're just going to drill these ones out so we don't get ourselves in trouble. Okay, let's go and get the drill. So clear this drill bit. They're a lot more complex than the model before.
Wasn't our model the model before?
The model before that went from 1969 to 1977, I think it was.
What came after this one? The tracker, wasn't it?
Yeah. Should have put that in forwards. Braking noises, right? Put the hoist up a bit.
That made a big hole in it.
I know where there's a big tracker sitting in a paddock.
Where's that?
Well, at the strawberry farm.
Anybody watching this with headphones is going to be dead.
Sounds like braking noises.
Yep. It's levitating.
Well, this will show us here. We undo these couple of rivets and peel this back. This will give us an idea how this hooks together. I'll do that in a minute. Needs an appointment with the cold chisel. So there's that one. Okay, so interested to see. Well, maybe they don't hook under each other, Dad. Let's get rid of these couple of rivets. Maybe they don't.
I don't know.
We'll know in a minute.
Let us know in the comments if they think they're...
As soon as I find where I put down my cold chisel. Let's use this one. So we need to get rid of that one. Oh, split the alloy, not good.
Bit rough there.
Bulletproof rivet.
We're definitely gonna have to turn down the volume on this video. Oh.
That's alright, we can dolly it up. Oh, maybe not.
So we're going to take this panel off?
Yeah.
So this must be for the awning.
Yeah, it doesn't have one at the moment, but possibly, yeah. Okay, so there's a rivet there. A little bit more cooperative. Looks like that dome is riveted through the steel as well.
Hey Dad, the phone is 10%.
Okay. So, what's under here is the question.
Sweet, so that just pops right off.
It will do, you just got to work it slowly.
Slowly and carefully, yeah.
Yep.
Slow one's a race.
Sometimes they can just hang on these rivets.
Really?
But what we need to do, because I believe this one, okay, so that's
Where's time to
free
blow?
there. So what we need to do is come down here underneath. Let's hang in there a bit. What I want to do, what's that?
Rivet it up underneath too.
Yeah, I just want to have a look here and see how this is held. So if I undo this rivet and that rivet,
Might need to put the phone on charge.
just take this off there.
Yeah, we'll take it off. We keep everything original, eh, Dad?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so that one there is riveted into
The dome.
steel. Now I can. Oh, so they're not. Okay, so they're not folded into each other.
Should I just...
Oh, maybe they are here. It's hard to know, isn't it? Got a torch.
don't know. Oh, yeah, it is.
No, so we've got to get a torch in there to see how these things are
Sorry.
held. I think they are. Okay, so. Oh yeah, look at this. Okay, so if you bring the camera in here,
Yep.
and you'll see in there, right in there, that it's folded. So this panel, that bottom panel, this panel here is folded over it.
I'm trying to see.
It means it's going to be a nightmare to get off. Hopefully the bottom panel will pop up
Yeah, so just
and then unfold.
boom. Yeah.
Okay, so it is what I thought it was. It's going to be a bitch. It's going to be a bitch.
Yeah, I might quickly put this in charge for a little bit.
Sure.
Okay. That'll do. So we've got it.
This is going to be an issue. This is going to be an issue.
So we've got it all drilled out.
No, yeah, they done it, don't you? It's better done this way.
Probably have. Problem is, I bet you this has got double-sided tape behind it.
And that fell out, the piece of timber.
Oh, I know how to do it.
Drill? Careful.
I'm just going straight through it.
So can't you lift it up and
No, because
this
when
is
they put
blocking
this
it?
panel on and behind,
Double-sided.
they ran double-sided tape along.
Ah, okay.
I mean, I'd love to be able to just...
Oh, it smells weird. Can you do it? I'll try my hands on it.
Hang on.
I'll hold it in case it drops.
Watch out, mate, because the sharp bits are everywhere.
Does it?
Thing is, I don't want to bend these panels.
Probably going to have to take this.
Yeah, we'll take that off from this thing. Take that off now.
I've just realised that it has the original tail lights on it. Yeah, I'm almost there. I've just got the panel off.
And we're probably going to have to take the rear handle off, I would say.
Which one?
Take this white bar off. This is going to be an ordeal.
It shall be. That worked.
One way to do it.
I guess you didn't hear me asking you to hold it.
You didn't ask me.
Oh, I did.
You did not.
I'll disable that one, get it all off so we can see it better. It would be cool if we could get the original tail lights going again. That'd be cool.
Mum says, how do you get a bloody warning into it right up there? You don't. Here's the other warning channel here.
Take another look in the inside. So we're not going to do anything on the inside actually, we're just going to leave it how it is because it's nice, give it a quick wipe down and everything, and that'll be good. See you all. Oh, get back to the action. I don't record you.
There's my pliers.
I know.
Pliers.
Here they are.
They're probably knowing that
Excuse me, you're about to jump over the...
sorry.
You recording? The finder has found the pliers.
Focusing. So right now it's just hanging here from here, eh?
Yeah, but it's folded underneath.
You're soon going to be able to track it down, boy.
Come on, let's start it. Spider-Man. So we're taking the throw off now. Wait, so why do you take this off? So you can access here.
So I can get this piece of panel here loose.
Oh, so this hanged on to this.
Yeah, it's
Hang on. I hanged on. Sweet, now we just need to do a little bit of prying off that and then that'll come off it.
should do if we're lucky. If we're lucky. If these rivets will let go, it's hung up on that rivet there.
So is this older than our Caravan?
No, it's 3 years newer.
So that's why they have like this. So did our Caravan used to have like double-sided tape on it as well?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it 20? Is it 200? 2,000?
Probably should just go out and have a quick shot of our Caravan. Okay. So this is where the rear panel
Links up.
butts over it, which means
Gonna have to take that off.
that has to come off.
Jeez, that's a lot of work.
Where's my moulding marker?
You can hold that if you want.
You've got to put an arrow,
That's so bloody.
upwards arrow on there, please.
So that's what it's like underneath. So that looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Underneath, right?
That kind of looks like it. Oh no, your favorite kind of screw.
Oh yeah, these would be great fun. They've only been on here for
Your favorite kind of screw, Dad.
flat blades. Okay, one. Two. Those ones do not want to
So
go.
we need to take this off so we can bend this,
So we can peel that down like that.
and then we can access this one that'll let go of this. Ow, jeez, that's sharp.
Get my friend the impact driver out.
The
May or may
impact
not
door.
fit these screws.
Hello.
Want me to chuck it in the Caravan? Want me to put it in the Caravan? Want me to put it in the Caravan?
Yeah, all the moulding should go in the Caravan. Okay, hammer
In there.
Hammer, yes.
It's like a menu full of tools.
Cold chisel.
Here it is. It's a panel, we just take it off. Mint condition there. These are all really good condition. Straight through, there's no corrosion or anything. Sweet, time to get back to the action.
Lovely.
What's your favorite part, Dad? Drill, maybe?
Really need an impact driver to do it. What we do need is a
One of the scummiest screws in the world. Flat blade. Okay, but not the big guns. Why are you doing that, Dad?
just get rid of all the corrosion off them, see if that helps. May or may not, but we'll give it a go.
Oh, they look new. I reckon we get brand new things for this, eh? Or that we sand them down and paint them. This is gonna be a long ass video. Alright.
Alright. Hammer, hammer, hammer.
Let's see what the master's doing.
Yeah, if I had a hammer.
Oh. I'm sorry if that's really loud.
That one works. Right, let's do it the wrong way.
Did anything?
Oh. I think that might have done it.
So sometimes like hitting it, does that help?
Yeah, it frees it, shocks it.
Shocks it.
Pretty sure they moved, maybe not.
Headphone users.
Yeah, it's definitely spinning.